How's it going, everyone? Dre here with M4 Ranch. Today we're going to be taking down some trees. My father-in-law let me borrow this tractor. It's a Kubota 70 horsepower tractor. What we're going to do is we're going to push these trees back and forth until the roots come out. Since these are some cedar trees, the roots aren't that deep, so they should come out pretty easily. This is going to save us some money pulling out these trees this way instead of having someone come out and tear them down with a bulldozer. So let's see how many trees we can get down. I'll take videos of the process and the before and after. So let's get started. Here we go. I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to hear me, but what I did was I pretty much pushed this tree down as far as I could with the tractor. As you can see there, the roots are already coming back, or coming out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a chain around the tree and around the bucket here, and then just kind of keep bringing the tree back and forth until eventually the roots come out of the ground and I'm able to rip the tree out. So let me go ahead and tie that chain around. So now that we got the chain wrapped around the tree, we're just going to keep moving the tree back and forth with the chain and with the tractor. So we'll bring it back a little bit. And then we'll bring it back forward. It's a little tricky, but that's pretty much kind of what you have to keep doing. Unfortunately, I have to keep messing with the chain because it keeps coming off. So I'll adjust the chain and I'll just keep going back and forth. I won't show this part of the video just because it's kind of a hassle. So once I get the tree out, I'll go ahead and start recording again. So alright, let's see if we can do this. So here I'm pulling the tree back with the chain. The tree is almost out. We're just going to keep pulling back, see if we're able to pull the roots out. And if not, we'll just keep going back and forth. And it looks like we got it out. Let me put this thing in park. I'll come show you the tree. So there's the tree. Pretty much pull all the roots out. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning right there, but that actually wasn't too bad. It took me about 5 minutes to take that tree down. So if you don't have a lot of trees that you have to take down, you can definitely use this method. But if there's a lot of trees that you have to do, there's probably a better way to do that. But you know, this is kind of a poor man's way of taking down a tree. So, and I'm gonna take down a couple more over here. So hopefully I'm able to get those out today. And I'll continue to post videos of all the cleaning and stuff that I'm doing out here. Thank y'all for watching.